In this video, I'll guide you through how to protect a sheet in LibreOffice Calc. Whether you're managing personal finances or sharing data with others, protecting your sheets ensures that your information remains secure and unaltered. Let's dive right in and learn how to safeguard your spreadsheets with just a few simple steps. To get started, first, open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you don't have it installed, you can download it from the official LibreOffice website. Once you have LibreOffice open, you'll want to select the Calc spreadsheet option. This is where you'll be working to protect your sheet. LibreOffice Calc is a powerful tool similar to Excel, providing a range of features to handle your data efficiently. Now that you have Calc open, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll see various options here, but for this task, you want to click on File, located at the top left corner of the window. This is your gateway to saving and securing your document. Clicking File opens up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, you'll want to select Save As. This option allows you to save your current document in a specific location and format, and importantly, with added security features. As you choose Save As, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to decide where and how you'd like to save your file. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the option to save with password. This feature is crucial as it allows you to protect your sheet from unauthorized access. Enabling this option will prompt you to enter a password of your choice. Make sure it's something memorable yet secure, as you'll need it to open or make changes to the sheet in the future. Once you've entered and confirmed your password, go ahead and click Save. Congratulations, your LibreOffice Calc spreadsheet is now protected. By saving with a password, you ensure that anyone attempting to access the file will need the password to open or modify it. This added layer of security is especially useful if you're dealing with sensitive information or sharing your file with others who should not be able to alter it. Remember, protecting your sheet is a simple yet effective way to maintain control over your data. No matter what kind of information you're working with, securing it should always be a priority. With these easy steps, you've now learned how to protect your sheet in LibreOffice Calc, keeping your information safe and sound. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using LibreOffice and other software efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy computing and stay secure.